Hi, I'm Tasya. In this second video, I'm going to share about my past experience or my unforgettable moment. This video called not the end but the progress. I want to share you guys when I graduated from senior high school in 2020. I was known as someone who are really educated and have a good grades, so people expected me to be someone that studied at University of Indonesia or such a thing. And I also have a big dream for my future career, my future education. But in 2020, because the COVID and the pandemic, it impacted my family financially, so we can't afford my college, and that's why I worked for 2 years. The first year I helped my dad selling pork, and it's hard for me because I'm afraid of blood and I have to face the pork. I have to know how to cut, how to slice the pork, and I also do delivery. And in that moment, someone contacted me. It's my friend. I met this friend at this event, and he has a friend who looking for someone from Sulawesi Utara, and he recommended me, and that guy contacted me to join his organization. And I did my job task, I did my best, and that's why maybe he remembered me when he joined a company startup. He needed an assistant, and he contacted me again, asked me to become his assistant. And this is my a great opportunity, because the founder of this company was someone graduated from Harvard, and he granted this title the best graduated. So that's really amazing. I work with qualified people with from the MIT University, from University of Indonesia. I work with them, and I only a gap year, and it's really amazing because the way they think, the way they make decision, the way they talk is completely different. Their culture and my culture is different, and I learned a lot from them, and it helps me. It helps the future of me. I know how to talk with people, and I know a lot of things that people not know before, because I got that from this company. I worked there, and I know how they seeing things, so that's pretty awesome. And then I still work with my father, and there is this guy, it's my father's friend. He saw me and he remembered that I worked with my father. At the end, he asked me to become his manager, and I worked there as a manager, and also I do accounting. I help the other department, and I learned a lot, of course, and so many things that I've got here. I learned many things. I've got knowledge, I've got experience, I met people, I had this connection that really helpful for the present and for the future. And this is why I call this the progress, not the end. I thought this is the end of my journey, I work, not continue study, but at the end I realized, after I faced all those things, I realized that I need this to growing up. I need this to become a better me, to become me right now. And I still need to progress. There's no things called the end. It's about the progress. I still progressed my life to become a better person, and I learned a lot from that. The experience, I enjoyed them so much. So this is why I call this unforgettable moment, because I learned from this progress. I realized there's nothing called the end, but I still progressing myself in this life, in this journey. So yeah, that's my unforgettable moment, my past experience. Now here I am as a college student. I still progressed with my journey here. I learned a lot. I met new people, a lot of people. I built connection with so many people and get experience, knowledge. So I will keep continuing progressing myself here. That's all. Thank you.